intelligent key, CD/MP3 audio, aluminum kick plates, splash guards. Byerly Nissan is Kentucky's #1 Nissan dealer in customer satisfaction. This brand new 2012 Nissan Altima 2.5S features Nissan Intelligent Key driver and front passenger seat back pockets, AM Fathom per Candela audio system with 6 speakers, auxiliary audio input jack, dual visor vanity mirrors, carpeted trunk lid trim and much more. It has gone through our extensive pre-delivery inspection process, performed by our service department staffed with Nissan Master Technicians. This is one of the reasons we are a proud recipient of the Nissan Owner First Award of Excellence, Nissan's highest award for outstanding customer satisfaction. Price is net of Nissan factory rebate,